Hey guys, so welcome to my tutorial on how to utilize LinkedIn in a creative and effective way that probably the CDO won't tell you to do. And so the first thing you want to do is head over to LinkedIn, and what I did was typed in my dream company, for example, Google. What I would first do is, well, I wouldn't first go to my connections first. I would first see if there's a position that I'm looking for. So for example, oh, look right here, UX Experience Researcher, Intern 2021. That's what I'm interested in. Next, what I would do is go to the connections. Fortunately for me, I have 17 connections. I have that privilege. And I also have the privilege to sift through my connections and, to see who I have the most rapport with. In this case, it's going to be Tony Tao. So I would literally message Tony, hey, I'm really interested in your company. I'm looking for a referral. Can you get me one? Straight up. And I know this is not traditional in a sense, but it's a 50-50 between yes or no, right? Let's be honest. It's a hard time right now, and these people get financial incentives. So I would say, why the heck not, right? Next thing I would do is utilize something called Discord, which you guys are, if you're not familiar with, is an online community for whatever. And I would literally type in best Discord groups for UX or library or data or whatever you're interested in. Find the exact, ones, or just keep finding the channels that you're interested in. Go into these sub channels, and luckily for me, Charles Zhao is looking for a web developer, which although I'm not necessarily interested in, we're just going to use this for example. So, this is a little kind of like kind of bait already that's out. You'll have to kind of search a little more, including like their names. But what I would do next is, if once you get to that point, you would just message them, send them a cold mail, and here's the template that I would put. No, not this one. Bear with me. This exact one, and just sort of introduce yourself, and then kind of fill in the blanks. So feel free to pause the video at any time to kind of utilize this. And these are kind of effective and creative ways that I don't think are non-traditional that'll get you one step closer to the referral, to the internship of your dreams.